Merlin here again. Well, we got it up on the sawhorses. Tomorrow we'll remove the skirt and then weigh it without the skirt. We've got a 2000 model BMW R1100R engine ordered, along with all the accessories needed to make it run. And we've got our new skirt ordered. So pretty much I think the only thing we're going to need now will be our new thrust fan. And we should have pretty much all the major components we need to put this thing together. We're getting the updated Hascon thrust fan from Slipstream. The Slipstream fan has a smaller diameter hub. You can see this one has a really fat hub on it, and that blocks a lot of your airflow. So with the Slipstream fan, it has a smaller hub on it and more efficient blades, so should get quite a bit of increase in thrust out of it. Of course, it's not like we're not going to get an increase of thrust out of the 80 horsepower BMW engine. Anyway, stay tuned.